So guys, that's it for tonight. I'm just gonna clean the bed and make the bed fresh. I think we're gonna use a new. I'm just going to do. Okay, so let's talk. So that's it for tonight, guys. Look at my face. Dr. Rochelle products are great. I've been using them for I think a month right now. It's a very Anyways, guys, that's it for tonight. I'm going to do the bed with you and just clean. I'm not gonna clean the storage. This is my storage, guys. This is where I put my. It looks like my bed. I put my blankets and everything inside there, and towels, extra towels. It looks like my bed. I made it. The thing is, I wanted to show you my night routine, so I'm gonna put on my night dress and then show you finished. Make sure to subscribe, like, share, and comment, and give me video ideas that you have. Hopefully I'll be able to post more often because I'm having issues with my phone and my camera. It's a lot. So guys, thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe. Bye. Guys, I'm sorry, I just noticed that I was talking over another video because I was watching this YouTube. I was opting for this one, but I don't like it today. This black one. So I'm gonna go with the red one. I think it's cute. And has a teeth ribbon down here. So let's make our bed. I have a place where I do what is it called? Put my towel to air. We just throw over ourselves. I don't want guys, I'm done for tonight. Just to be respectful, I have to cover myself. It's a nighttime routine, but anyways, guys, I'm not done anything. I just threw my bed over the bed, sheet, and my sheet. But I'll do a morning routine to doing a makeover, so make sure to subscribe. This is my routine. It's not perfect, but something. For tonight, I'll do something better next time. So let me just show you my thingy. This is my dressing table. I have my go-tos over there, the serum, the toner, the things that I use mostly, my jewelry box. Down here is a bit of an embarrassment because I'm not done, but I'll just show you. It has my makeup box and my dustbin. I'm not gonna show you. It's a lot of mess, but we're gonna clean it up tomorrow. I have this photo frame that I made. I was painting, so splashed or spilled on it. I'm gonna clean it. But then these are my books that I read. Actually, right now I'm reading. This is my Bible, and my notebook is over there with my vision board. I can show you that as my vision board. With my notebook over there, but it's always here with a pen. My Bible, my other books that I'm reading, and my baby is gonna love. My baby is gonna love this because my baby's kinda I don't know. We're both nerds, I think. So these are the ones that I'm reading right now. But yeah, we'll see. Anyways, guys, that's it for tonight. I hope you like the video. Tell me if you want more of my routines. I'll do better ones. I just figured let me use my mom's phone because mine is not working at the moment. I'm gonna use my mom's phone. She has two, so I'm using the other one to record another video just because it's been a while and I miss YouTube. I love YouTube. So yeah, I'll show you how I made everything, guys. But I'm in love with it so far. Yeah. Subscribe. Nalani. Snuggle. 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 Okay. Like so. And wrap gently top to toe. Yeah. See? Yeah. Supposed to say it like that. Add to water, not to cook. Stir and not. Scoop on baby hazelnut. my darling. My darling. Night, night. Say night, night. Say night, night. Say night, night. Give to me. You can kiss it. You can kiss it. Not mommy, give them. You look good. That's it for tonight, guys. I'm gonna say go away. Go away. Go away. Say subscribe.